So I hope you all people have gone through exercise 13a, in which we had studied about factorization, which dealt about extracting the HCF. Now we shall come to exercise 13b. Now what is the speciality over here? That this is also a type of factorization. Okay, factorization, but here this is of another type, that is factorization by grouping, by grouping. Now before I start this, let us take one particular example, like a square plus ax. This type of sum was given in the previous exercise, that is 13a. Now when you are given a square plus ax and you are asked to find out its factor or convert this into its factor, how would you go? So naturally by taking out its HCF. Please do not forget that. अगर भूल गए दिक्कत, बहुत दिक्कत. So that is why remember, you will have to remember each and every type of factorization. I have taken out this particular, the HCF of a square and ax, and I got a. So here you are left with a plus x. This is what was taught in the previous one. Now let us take one more. Okay, ab plus bx. Clear? How are you going to do this? The same thing, I find that b is common over here, that is b is the HCF of these two, so b a plus x. Done? Okay. Now what they have done over here in this particular exercise, that they have combined these two. Samjho yaar, they have combined these two, means they have given you a square plus ax plus ab plus bx. This means you already know that when you will take out HCF from these two, a, you will get a plus x, and when you will take out the HCF of these from these two, you will get a plus x. This means four terms have been given and you will have to group them into twos and see whether something is common in these two groups, these two different groups. So I found that here in both these groups a plus x is again common, so I have extracted a plus x. Now you are left with a over here and b over here. As I told you that when you take out the HCF, you will have to divide each of them by the HCF. So a plus x divided by a plus x, you got a. Similarly this divided by a plus x is equal to b. Okay. Now I don't know who was the person who was telling me to prepare the video in Hindi. Yes, in Hindi. You people learn Hindi from the very beginning only. थोड़ा सा अंग्रेजी बोल लिए यार, तो क्या दिक्कत है तुमको, बताओ. ए स्क्वायर माइनस ए बी माइनस सी ए प्लस बी सी. देखो यार, दे हैव गिवन यू सी ए, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. एक्चुअली दिस इज ए सी, isn't it? So we write the terms in alphabetical order. Now have a look. So as I said that you will have to group the terms. तो group कीजिए ना, one pair and two pair. Okay. So when I told you the group, प्लीज डू नॉट ग्रुप देम ब्लाइंडली. आंख मूंद कर ग्रुप नहीं करना है. सो यू विल हैव टू फर्स्ट चेक that if you will take a common, you will get a minus b, and here if you will take c common, you will get a minus b. Then only we group it, because in later stage what will happen, they will mix all these. तो फिर grouping गया grouping में. Okay, आ जाइए. So here you have a minus b. Similarly in CA and BC, I have taken minus C as common. देखो यार, minus C. So when I have taken minus C as common, what will you get? You will get A minus B, because whenever you take a negative sign common, the sign inside the bracket changes. So CA, see here it became plus, and here plus BC became minus BC. So that is why whenever you take a negative sign common, you will have to change the sign in the bracket. Okay, I am not telling you that you multiply minus minus plus and plus minus plus into minus minus. I am not saying that. Just change the sign. काम खत्म. So एक मिनट थोड़ा सा ऊपर आ जाए बेटा. चलो यार a minus b once again a minus b, and here when I have taken a minus b, so here you will get a minus c. So these are the simple type of sums. These are the simple types of sums. थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं, एक दो सम और बनाएंगे, isn't it? Enough space is over here. I hope I will be able to do one of them. So ab minus 2b plus a square and minus 2a. So here once again a minus 2b and a square minus 2a को group कीजिए, you will get b a minus 2 plus a square and minus 2 में a में you take a common and you will get a minus 2 over here. So a minus 2 once again when taken extra, look at this, all are in multiples form. So a minus 2 when taken you will be getting b plus a or a plus b, it is the same thing, isn't it? तो घबराना नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ भूलना भी नहीं है. For example, as soon as you people learn exercise, had learned exercise 13a, you might have forgotten कि भाई काम खत्म. No, you will have to remember exercise 13a in order to do exercise 13b. Similarly, you will have to remember both of them in order to do 13c. चलो ज़्यादा बकवास नहीं, आ जाइए क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में. ओके, a क्यूब माइनस a स्क्वायर प्लस a minus 1. See, let us group them first. I have grouped. So when I have grouped, I told you do not do it blindly. First check whether if you take a square from these two, if you take a square from these two, what will remain? So it will remain a minus 1. Similarly, plus, see, in a minus 1 nothing is common but 1 is common. क्या मजाक है. a minus 1 because 1 is the multiple of every number. So when you will take 1 as common, you will get a minus 1. हाँ जी, चलिए. So once again you take a as common, इसमें you take a minus 1 as common and you will be getting a square plus 1. ठीक है, आगे बहुत दुनिया देखना है बेटा. Come to number 5. Number 5 में they have started, see the level increased. How? They have started giving you numbers. 2a minus 4b minus xa होना चाहिए ax, but they have given xa. चलो कोई बात नहीं, उसका मन 2bx. Now let us see 2a minus 4b में if you will take 2 as common, what will remain? You will be getting a minus 2b, and from these two, see minus is over here, so you will have to take minus sign. Now let us take x as common. So a, when you have taken minus sign will change inside. a minus 2b, तो a minus 2b और मैं भी देखते हैं बेटा कि मैं भी में क्या होगा. a minus 2b and 2 minus x. So how was it? It was beautiful. थोड़ा आगे चलते हैं. Again they will increase your level. Okay, कि अच्छा ये वाला बना के दिखाओ तो देखो तो यार. xy minus ay minus ax plus a square plus bx minus ab. अच्छा 1 2 3 4 5 6 यहाँ पेट नहीं भरा, यहाँ पे they have given you more. So कोई बात नहीं है whether they give me more or they give me मुर्गी, I do not know. So xy minus ay ax square plus ax plus a square bx and minus ab. तो देखिए तो यहाँ पे let us take something common. So let us group in twos. See, all are even number. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here when you will take y as common, you will be getting x minus a. यहाँ पे माइनस तो लेना ही पड़ेगा. minus a, so x minus a. When I have taken x, my minus over here, then what do I find? I found that I have to change sign over here. आ जाओ जी. Plus b. b x minus a. ठीक है, तो x minus a when I'll take as common, what I'll get, see x minus a, x minus a, x minus a, तो y minus a plus b. और यार मैथमेटिक्स में क्या अंग्रेजी बोलना, हम लोग ज़्यादा जो बंदूक ही चलाते हैं, नहीं, डिश इज हियर, डिश इज दैट, कम टू नंबर 7. ओके, तो यार इतना तो अंग्रेजी बोल नहीं सकते हैं ना. कम ऑन, फैक्टोराइज, क्या फैक्टोराइज, ठीक है, तो फैक्टोराइज नहीं कर रहे तो फैक्टोराइज नहीं करेंगे. फैक्टोराइज क्या भाई, 3. अच्छा, दे हैव नाउ again, see the level increased. Here what they have given you, they have given you higher powers. 3x to the power 5 minus 6x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 3 plus 4x square plus x minus 2. Nahin, come on, don't see, have a look here. In these two I will be grouping, so let us group one pair, 2 pair and 3 pair. क्या बात, 3x to the power 5 and 6x to the power 4 में 3x, 3 और 6 में what will be the HCF, 3 and x to the power 5 और x to the power 4 में x to the power 4 because it has the lowest power. So when two powers are there, when two terms are there given, having exponent, we take the term with the lower exponent. So I will have to divide each of them by 3x to the power 4. So here you will get x minus and 6x4 divided by 3x4 minus 2, isn't it? I have to take minus over here. Well, एक बार फिर से I will have to take minus over here and I will have to change sign inside. So 2x square. So you will be getting x minus 2. I change the sign inside, plus nothing is common over here, 1x minus 2. So come on, now x minus 2 as common, 3x to the power 4 minus 2x square plus 1. हो गया factor, simple, they are in multiplication form. Okay, what do you think, shall we proceed? And you will say no. So when you will say no, so I will not proceed, I will proceed. Factorize number 8. Factorize minus x square y minus x plus 3xy plus 3. Let us see. If I take x as common, I'll get xy minus 1. And if I'll take, yes, so why not to group in this way and in this way? Let's see. If I take minus x as common, so when you take minus x as common, see in x square and in x square y and x, if I have taken minus x as common, I will have to change the sign, so both will become positive. So xy plus 1. Similarly over here, when you will take 3 as the HCF in both, from both of them, you will get xy plus 1. Okay, so xy plus 1 and minus x plus 3 के जगह you can write 3 minus x, it is the same thing. Minus x plus 3, you can write 3 minus x, अच्छा लगेगा, ठीक है. Everyone wants that they should look good, so why not these people, these sums. Number 9, 6a square minus 3a square b minus bc square plus 2c square. अजी कुछ नहीं है, the same thing. Have a look, from these two what are you going to get? So if you are going to get 3a square, you will be left with 2 minus b, and similarly from this I have to take minus. एक बार फिर से देखो, बार बार I am, every time I am stressing on that particular minus sign. So minus, when you will take c square as common, you will be getting b and b minus 2. Yes, b minus 2. यार गलत, कमाल हो गया. Here you have 2 minus b and there here you have b minus 2. So have a look. When you have a minus b over here, can you write this as b minus a? you can write. If you take a negative sign common, means outside, you will be getting b minus a. दिक्कत है तो देख लो ना, माइनस इंटू बी इज माइनस बी एंड माइनस इंटू minus into b is minus b, minus into minus a is plus a. So whenever you want to interchange the terms, you take a negative sign out. Take a negative sign, sign, sign out. So come on. So 3a square 2 minus b. If I take negative sign out over here, negative sign, so one more negative is over here. So this, for example, let us take this minus sign out. So here you will have minus and minus. So this sign will change. Plus c square 2 minus b. So now you take 2 minus b as common. You will be getting 3a square plus c square. ठीक, देखो सिंपल है यार, कुछ है नहीं ऐसा. Okay. Let us come to, I think number 10 you can do it. Number 11. Let us see number 11. What is there in number 11? So in number 11 is, it has x square minus a minus 3x and minus 3a. Let's see. Here, 1, if you break this one, मतलब if you will break this one, so minus a minus 3x is there over here. इसका कान पकड़ के खींच के ले आओ यहाँ पे ये वाला. अब सुंदर लग रहा है. हटाओ इसको हटाओ. ठीक. So here let's multiply. X square minus x into a is minus ax, and minus x into minus 3 is plus 3x. ठीक. Minus 3a. Good. Now let us group. So x square minus ax, यहाँ 1 और ये 2. क्या है बाबू? Have a look. When you will take x as common, you will get x minus a, and here when you will take 3 as common plus 3, you will get x minus a. Therefore x minus a and x plus 3 are the HCF of the given problem. The same type, एक और ठीक है. See, when you people are studying, this is my request. Okay, either you study properly or do not study. ठीक है, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं पढ़ना है. मैं पिछले वीडियो में भी बोला था, कुछ ज़रूरी नहीं है. But yes, if you are really in a race to become something, you will have to study. नहीं तो ऐसे ही नाचते गाते रहो, टिकटॉक वीडियोस बनाते रहो. एक्स स्क्वायर और उसके बाद में लाइव टिकटॉक हो जाएगा. टिकटॉक कम ऑन. सो द सेम टाइप ऑफ सम यार. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस, एज आई टोल्ड यू, इसका कान पकड़ के खींच के लाइए ना जी यहाँ पे, ये वाला एक्स यहाँ अच्छा लगेगा, कुछ नहीं. अदरवाइज यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो. सो माइनस एक्स इंटू बी इज माइनस बी एक्स, एंड माइनस एक्स इंटू माइनस 2 प्लस 2x एंड माइनस 2b. तो 2 भी और मैं भी यहाँ पे मैं देख सकता हूँ कि when I will take x as common, x minus b plus 2, so x minus b, so x minus b when taken common, you will be left with x plus 2, isn't it? कैसा रहा? बढ़िया रहा. Come on, let's see. अच्छा, in 13, you know, we had done the same kind of sum in 13, but here they have given you purposely, जानबूझ के, कि देखते हैं बच्चा बना पाएगा कि नहीं. तो अब आप लोग बच्चा कहाँ रहे? क्लास 8 में, वो भी इस लेवल का सम बनाने के बाद में नेचुरली योर माइंड इज फ्लीटिंग. c माइनस बी, देखो b माइनस c और ये c माइनस बी, हद है यार. सो एज आई हैड टोल्ड यू दैट इफ यू वांट to convert this into b minus c, you will have to take minus out. So when you will take minus as common, so this sign will change, these terms will change, and when you will take the sign out, तो पहले से ये जो है ये माइनस यहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है यहाँ पे, isn't it? फन निकाल के बैठा हुआ है कि आओ तो. So this minus will become plus because I have taken minus sign out plus, and here you will have b minus c. चलो, a b minus c तो पहले से. Similarly, when you will take b minus c as common, you will get a plus d. काम खत्म. ठीक. चलो और कुछ देखिए क्या. नंबर 14. This was number 13 है ना. 13 एक है लिख रहे हैं. 14. In number 14, what we have? We have ab square minus a minus c b minus c. Same type here. Can't you people do it? I think that you people. So this is for you. Okay, this is a gift for you. For you. You do it yourself. ठीक है. आगे बढ़ते हैं नंबर 15 में. 15 में level has started increasing. A square minus b square multiplied by c plus b square minus c square multiplied by a. अच्छा तो एक काम करते पहले तोड़ लो यार, नहीं बाद में जोड़ेंगे. कम ऑन. सो a square c ना जी. सो a square c minus b square c multiplied both of them by c. Now b square a minus c square a. ठीक है. Now you will have to see that how are you going to arrange it. Means break and arrange. Break and arrange. That you will have to do it. I am always telling you the same thing. आँख बंद करके ग्रुप नहीं करना है. Otherwise what will happen? You people will break these two into 4 and then again you will take common. तो बात वहीं का वहीं हो गया ना. You people will be back to the pavilion, isn't it? तो आ जाइए. A square c, isn't it? A square c and minus क्या है? c square a. Yes, c square a. When in these two, when I'll take ac as common, I will be getting a minus c. Similarly, here you will get a minus. 1 minute, एक मिनट, हमने कुछ गलती किया है क्या यार? Let me see. A square c and then ac square. ठीक है. What are we going to get? When I'll take ac as common, ac, so I will be getting a minus c over here. ठीक है. यहाँ पे अगर मैं even I will take this one and this one, that is b square a and minus b square c. Then in that case, when I will take b square as common, I will get a minus c. सही तो है. So what I have done, I have taken this one and this term. First, I have grouped these two terms and then these two terms. You can see I have given a tick. तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. So that is why break and arrange. तो break कीजिए और फिर खुद arrange करके निकालिए. So here what did you learn? That you cannot group blindly. You cannot group blindly. ठीक है. चलो. So a minus c and ac plus b square. So here we found that how these sums can be done beautifully. Okay. Until and unless you ponder. No, ponder means to think over something. You cannot. Number 16 में क्या है? 16 में a cube minus a square. A cube minus c, the level has started increasing, minus ab plus a plus b minus 1. ठीक है. So here you people can see that a square minus a cube minus a square minus ab, isn't it? Plus a plus b minus 1. So let us see what we can do. When I'll take a square common, I will get a minus 1. A, so I'll get no. So here you have to take these two, group these two. देखिए नहीं जी यहाँ पे. Yes. देखो तो बेटा यहाँ पे when you will take a cube minus a square and here when you will take a square as common, you will be getting a minus 1. ठीक. ये वाला ठीक. Now when you will take minus ab, sorry, b and minus ab plus b minus ab में if you will take b as common, you will be getting क्या? You will be getting 1 minus a. अच्छा 1 minus a, नो 1 माइनस ए, कोई बात नहीं है. सो ज़्यादा दिमाग क्यों मैं लगाऊं, चलो कोई बात नहीं, 1 माइनस ए. एंड हियर यू हैव a minus 1 लेफ्ट, दिस वन a minus 1 प्लस a minus 1, सो प्लस a minus 1. ठीक है, यू कैन चेंज दिस वन. अच्छा यहाँ पे इफ यू वुड हैव रिटन माइनस ए बी, एक मिनट, माइनस ए बी एंड प्लस बी एंड इवन यू वुड हैव टेकन b एज कॉमन, तो आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाता है a minus 1. Yes, so it depends upon how well you people can arrange it. So here you saw that how I got 1 minus a, but when I changed it over here I got a minus 1. तो अच्छा है, a minus 1 when taken common, a square plus b plus nothing is over here, I have taken a minus 1, तो एक ही बचेगा, a square plus b, सॉरी a square, बेटा माइनस कॉमन लेना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, सो माइनस b, ये वाला माइनस b प्लस 1. ठीक है. However, नंबर 17, आई होप यू पीपल हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. अगर दिक्कत है तो आप देख लीजिए यहाँ पे a क्यूब माइनस ए स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे माइनस ए बी, ये वाला माइनस ए बी प्लस बी एंड प्लस a माइनस 1. तो यहाँ देखिए, यहाँ चीज a स्क्वायर a माइनस 1 और माइनस a माइनस b, सो a minus 1 and plus 1 a minus 1 plus 1 a minus 1. So here a minus 1 when taken, a square minus b plus 1. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि जो here you might have got confused, that is why I did it again. अच्छा कि कितना हो रहा है, 27 मिनट एंड हाउ मेनी सम्स आर देयर, ज़्यादा नहीं, 3 4 5 तो यार, इसको कंप्लीट ही लो कर लो. Isn't it? इसको कंप्लीट है. नाउ लेट अस टेक वन सम दैट इज नंबर 17 ना. लेट मी सी, नंबर 17 भी बना ही लेते हैं. 17 ए बी, सो दैट व्हेन यू पीपल sit to study, then in that case you need not have to browse anything more. A square cd minus b square cd. तो देखते हैं कुछ है, पहले तो मैं ब्रेक करूंगा. सो ए बी सी स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी डी स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर सी डी माइनस बी स्क्वायर सी डी. So here I have broken it. After that I will arrange. How are we going to arrange? A b c square and a, this one, this and a square c d में. So have a look, a b c square minus a square c d में when you will take ac as common, what will you get? You will get ac as common में you will get bc and minus ad over here. Similarly ये दोनों को साथ में रखने पर, that is ये दोनों को साथ में रखने पर, दैट इज माइनस बी स्क्वायर सी डी एंड प्लस ए बी डी स्क्वायर. व्हेन यू विल टेक दीज टू एक साथ में, व्हेन यू विल ग्रुप दीज टू एंड व्हेन यू विल टेक माइनस बी डी एज कॉमन फ्रॉम दीज both, you will be getting bc, since you have taken minus common over here, therefore minus ad. So bc minus ad multiplied by ac minus bd is your solution. ठीक है. नंबर 18 भी कर लेते हैं बाबू. जरा 18 में क्या है, 18 में कुछ नया है अगर तो बनाते हैं. नंबर 18. So in number 18 what do we have? So my dear, in number 18 we have 2ab square minus aby plus 2cby y minus cy square. So this will have to factorize. कैसे मैं करूँगा? So मैं कैसे करूँगा जरा देख लूँ तो. So here I think this is quite easy. इसमें कुछ खास नहीं है, लेकिन let me see, 2ab square and here is also 2, so plus 2cby and minus aby and minus cy square. ठीक है? So now when you will take 2b over here as common, दोनों में वे 2b जब लेंगे तो you will be getting ab plus cy, ab 2b निकालने के बाद में ab बचेगा ना जी, plus cy, and when you will take minus y as common over here, that is the HCF, you will be getting ab plus cy. So ab plus cy when again taken common 2b minus y. ठीक है? One more 19. ठीक है? करना क्या है यार, छुट्टी का समय है, यही सब करना है. आप भी पढ़िए. ax plus 2bx plus 3cx minus 3a minus 6b minus 9c is our sum. Now we will see whether this is in proper condition or not. So this is quite different type of sum. यहाँ पे हम ये देख रहे हैं कि अगर ये तीनों को ग्रुप किया जाए, so we will get something in common. So here when you will take from these three, when you will take x as common, you will be getting a plus 2b plus 3c. और यहाँ पे when you will take a minus 3 as common, you will get a plus 2b plus 3c as common. यानी कि a plus 2b plus 3c when taken as common, you will get x minus 3. एकदम बढ़िया रहा है जी. अच्छा एक तो है लास्ट वाला, तो लास्ट वाला भी let me see लास्ट वाला में क्या है. Number 20. So in number 20 we have 2ab square c, नहीं, minus 2a plus 3, ऐसे करके अंग्रेजी बोलने से अच्छा लगता है ना. 3b cube c minus 3b 4b square c square plus 4c. क्या बात है, क्या. See, try to understand the feeling. You do not and the content. खाली feeling समझोगे तब तो हो गया. Try to understand the content. Only then you people will be learning something. तो solution में देखते हैं जरा सर. यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 बहुत अच्छी बात है. And here I find that when 2ab square c and minus 2a, minus 2a, if I'll take 2 as common, I will get b square c minus 1. Similarly, plus 3b square c. Okay, क्या बात है यार. 3b क्यूब को स्क्वायर क्या बोलते हैं. प्लस 3b क्यूब c माइनस 3b minus 3b. अच्छा, this is quite easy. Why am I taking tension? Minus 4b square c square and plus 4c. This means actually I was testing whether when I'll take common in all, as I told you that you cannot take anything blindly. कि चलो भाई अब लेते हैं common. So I was saying I found that from these two, this is in order. This is in order. So when this is in order, my half work is done. So here you people can see that when I take 2a as common, you will be getting b square c minus 1. Similarly over here, when you will take 3b as common, so 3b में you will be getting b square c minus 1 and minus 4c. See, minus 4c when you will take common in both of them, you will be getting b square c. See, you have taken minus sign over here, common, अंदर का sign change करो, minus 1. तो b square CA minus 1, when taken as common, you will get 2A plus 3B minus 4C. ठीक है, तो ऐसे सिनेमा देखने से कुछ नहीं होगा, ठीक है, पढ़ना पड़ेगा, एक्टिंग करना पड़ेगा, जैसे हम एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं ना, ये वाला, ये पेपर और पेन पे. You also do the same kind of acting, only then you will learn. चलो, थैंक यू.